Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Goodbudget app. Review my usage experience. Goodbudget app. Review my usage experience offers a budgeting app designed to help users manage their finances using the envelope budgeting system. It's targeted towards individuals and families looking for a simple yet effective way to track their spending and stick to a budget. Key features include assigning funds to different categories, envelopes, tracking transactions, and visualizing spending patterns. Their website provides details on various subscription options. Goodbudget emphasizes ease of use and intuitive design. Pricing is transparent with various subscription tiers clearly outlined. There are no hidden fees or contracts. The app uses a straightforward approach to budgeting, making it accessible to users with varying levels of financial literacy. Goodbudget is available on iOS and Android. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Goodbudget. Getting started was a breeze. The setup process was quick and straightforward. I was inputting my first budget categories within minutes. Navigating the interface is intuitive. The color-coded envelopes make it easy to visualize where my money is going. I particularly like the ability to easily transfer funds between envelopes, say, if I over-budgeted for groceries and needed to move some money from entertainment. Performance was excellent. The app is responsive and reliable. I had a quick question about recurring transactions and their support responded within a day via email, very helpful. One minor drawback was the slightly limited reporting features compared to some competitors. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, showing my budget at a glance. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to link multiple accounts for a more comprehensive overview. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Goodbudget. It's a simple, effective, and user-friendly budgeting app that has significantly helped me manage my finances. That's my overview of Goodbudget app. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.